What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Eddie J, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is back at $40,000. I told you guys, if you haven't been following Bitcoin, I just got into cryptocurrencies last year, but it is definitely a great asset class in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, so please take this advice with a grain of salt. I'm just going to show you guys some of the results I've had dealing with cryptocurrency, how I buy cryptocurrency, and what I like about cryptocurrency. So if you're just getting started in cryptocurrency, a lot of people have Cash App. So if you just go into Cash App, open up Cash App, if you look down here at the bottom, you see that next to the dollar sign, you have the little squiggly line and the Bitcoin. If you click on that, you can either click up here at the top where it says Bitcoin or stocks. You can actually buy stocks in here, or you can actually buy Bitcoin. I use it for Bitcoin. As you can see, I have just over $12,000 here in Bitcoin. And you see Bitcoin, it just hit $40,000 again today. It's now up 5.6% today. But if you go down here and click all, this will show you how much Bitcoin is up all time. Bitcoin is actually up 300,000%. Almost 304,000% all time. If you look just over the past year, Bitcoin is actually up 311%. Just over the month, it's only up 4.79%. And if you look over the last week, it's actually up 17%. And if you look over today, it's still up at 5.36%. And it's pretty simple. You can go here, you click buy, you can buy any amount you want. So you can just click the three dots and put in an amount. If you just want to get started with like $10 of Bitcoin, what I would definitely say about Bitcoin is you don't want to buy at the highs. So you can see it's at a high today, and it's hovering around an all-time high. What I like to do is kind of buy the dips. On days that it dips, I kind of just put a little bit of money in there, and I'll kind of show you guys. I think I've been doing this on this Cash App just for about, I want to say since about June. And it's pretty simple. If you want to sell your Bitcoin, you just put it, you can sell all, put any amount that you want to sell, and you can sell it, and then that money will go straight into your Cash App account. So it's actually pretty dope. If you scroll down, I'll just show you my activity. As you can see, I started back in June. I put $100 on it. At that time, Bitcoin was around like, I want to say like 9,000 or something. I wish I would have bought more. I wish I would have bought a whole Bitcoin and stuff at that time, but I was just kind of like real hesitant. So you don't have to start off with a lot of money. I put $280 the next time, and I put 50. And then as I started to see it start to move a little bit, I got intrigued. So I actually put $2,000 in. That was actually the most I had ever put down at one time. Then $500, $250, $500, and just put in a little bit of money a little at a time. At one time, I had made so much profit. To me, at that time, I wanted to kind of take some profit, so I actually sold $1,400 worth. I wish I never sold that. I would just wish I'd just kept it. But then I continued to just kind of put a few $100 or $100 here. So if you look at it, I actually purchased about $6,655 worth of Bitcoin. I sold $1,477. But if you look at my actual balance on Bitcoin now, the $600 that I invested is now $12,000. Okay, that's without me working, without me lifting a finger. That's just me investing. Now, if you invest money in your bank account, or you have money just sitting in your bank account, your savings account, you're going to make less than 1% on it for the most part. You're not really making any money. Your money is sitting there in the bank and just using your money. Having your money in an asset like cryptocurrency or just Bitcoin itself, man, it allows your money to have exponential growth as there's mass adoption. Bitcoin has actually only been around, I believe, like 12 years, so it's still fairly new. But what I would suggest to you is go on YouTube, start educating yourself, start reading stuff, and you'll actually see how cryptocurrency is moving. You'll start to see the people that believe in it and why they believe in it. I love cryptocurrency myself. I don't just have Cash App, but I also have Coinbase here. In my Coinbase account, I have about 3 different cryptocurrencies. I have Ethereum, I have XRP, and I have Bitcoin. So in my Bitcoin account, I have about $5,500 in there. So the good thing about Bitcoin is you don't have to buy what the price is. You can buy fractional shares. So you can buy $100 worth, $10 worth, $5 worth, whatever you want to put towards it. So you just get a fractional share as opposed to owning like a whole Bitcoin. One whole Bitcoin is worth $40,000 right now. If you look, like I was saying, last year it was at $9,000. At one point it was less than that. In 2017 is when they first went to around like almost $20,000 then, and then it had crashed. But if you understand investing, crashes are just great buying opportunities and stuff like that, especially if it's a good performing company or a good performing asset. The real estate market crashed, but you see the real estate in the stock market creates more millionaires than any other asset class. XRP, I have about 3,300 XRP, but I only have $1,400 in there. But I bought most of my XRP when it was at like 26 cents a share. So it actually went up a lot, and it's now 44 cents a share. But you just can't trade on Coinbase right now. They got a lot of stuff going on with the SEC. I don't know if you guys have been following that. But also, I have some Ethereum. I have about 1.5 Ethereum right now. That's now $2,600. I don't know if I click in there if it'll tell me. So I invested 1,125. It won't tell me exactly how much I'm up, but if I just have to add this up. Well, made some money on Ethereum. Let's just say that. I remember Ethereum is now at $1,689. I remember when Ethereum, I was looking at it every day, and I was investing in the stock market and Bitcoin, and I was like, I don't know if I want to do this Ethereum too. And it was at like 300 and something bucks, and I'm like, that's pretty expensive, and I didn't buy. And slowly but surely, Ethereum keeps creeping up. But that's another cryptocurrency that I would definitely suggest you check out as well. But those are the three that I mess with though. But I just kind of want to show you guys that for $40,000 Bitcoin, definitely invest your money. That's really all I got, man. Invest your money, you know what I'm saying? Assets versus liabilities. The stock market gives you a wonderful opportunity to own assets, to buy great companies, and also with cryptocurrencies, you get the opportunity to do some of the same things. So definitely, if that's something that you're not familiar with, I would definitely say start taking a look at it. Even if you don't buy any cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, I would say if you have Cash App, just go in there and take a look at it every day. Look, oh, it's down today. Oh, it's up today. Oh, it's at 4. Just track it. Just see. Just take a look. You have access to these markets. So definitely take advantage of the fact that you have access to these markets and access to these assets, because, you know, your cash loses value over time. You know what I'm saying? But assets, the reason they're assets is because they should be working for you and also creating some type of income or something for you. You know what I'm saying? So it's your boy Yeti J. I just want to share that with you guys. Signing off. Have a great one.